In this video, I'm going to explain why I'm not a huge fan of stop losses. Now, as a trader who primarily trades options, I'm always looking for high risk to reward trades. I want something that's 10 to 1 or greater, and I only put in what I'm willing to lose. So for each trade, if I put $100 in and the trade goes well as according to plan, the max return would be $1,000. It's actually slightly less than that because of the strategy that I use, which I will explain. Now, because I do the work up front to identify high risk to reward trades and I'm only putting in what I'm willing to lose, there's no need for a stop loss. And there are plenty of cases where if I put a stop loss, I would have sold for a loss, locked in those losses, when instead the trade would have actually been a winner. And this is because you can get faked out by the market. Algorithms in the market know where stop losses are, and they're going to sell and trigger those stop losses to get the stock to drop even more, to ultimately buy back in and drive the share price higher. To explain, let's take a look at an example. So I posted on the private Discord server. A link is in the video description or in the bio. It's only $5 a month. You get live trade alerts, watch lists, stock market news, and updates. I posted on the Discord a trade on that. It was call options at the $3 strike for the September 16th expiration date. At the time, they were trading at $15 per contract. Earnings were coming up. After earnings, which the earnings were actually pretty good, the stock sold off and it went below support. This triggered even more stop losses, but eventually the stock rebounded, and it only took a couple of days, and as you can see by the chart, the rebound has been ferocious. Now, those same call options are trading at $40 per contract, which is way higher than I bought them for. If I had a stop loss, I would have sold for a loss and locked in those losses, when instead I was able to sell for a gain. Now, I said that I try to look for trades that are 10 to 1 or higher, but something else that I do is that when the position doubles in size, I take out the initial capital and let the trade ride on house money. So I actually don't make 10x, I make less than that, but it's risk free at that point because the trade's entirely on house money. And free trades are going to increase the probability that you have more successful trades, and it's going to take out emotion and let you trade as you should. Now, that's personally what I do. That's my strategy, and that's why I don't use stop losses and I don't like them. For whatever strategy you implement, you might need them. Now, if you want those live trade alerts to get into trades like this, join the Discord. The link is in the bio, and also follow this channel for more content.